Hi, this is Scoggett. This is second part to my cream of mushroom chicken and rice casserole video. And it's cooked, it's ready to plate up. I'm going to show you how it turned out. Here we have the casserole. Let's see if I can take the cover off without burning myself. So the hot steam. Whew, that's hot. And it's looking good. It's got this steam. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of mix up the rice because it's stuck together here. Like it always does. And just kind of mix it all up so that everything gets incorporated. Chicken breast looks delicious. Then I'm going to plate it up and give it a little bit of taste and see how it come out. Just right now what I'm doing is just stirring up the rice, because the rice will have a tendency to clump up on you. Okay, I think that's enough. Wash my fork off. Plate it up. Have a chicken breast. Go ahead and plate the chicken breast up. Let me move this. I don't think it's might be where you can see it. And get me some of this good rice. This good mushroom creamy mushroom rice. I tell you what, that is just fantastic. Really good. And show you how it come out. There it is. As you can see, it's all creamy. The chicken breast is perfectly cooked. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how the chicken breasts come out. Just perfect. And going to go ahead and take a bite of it. Oh yeah. Mmm. Just really good. Now I'm going to taste the rice, see if it's done the way I know it will be. Mmm. That's so good, I got to take a second bite. Mmm. Everything is cooked to perfection. The chicken breast is just perfectly done and tender, juicy, and it's so good. Like I say, it's not hard to make. It's easy, just an easy dinner. And something else, like I said, if you don't like cream of mushroom, you can substitute cream of chicken. And everything will come out just perfect. This is Scoggett. I'm hungry and I'm going to get to eating. So I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. I hope you give this a try, and y'all take care.